Thank you for coming back to Polkadot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am going to show you a quick project here, creating some birthday happy mail. This is a pocket letter. I actually ran out of these pockets and I had to repurpose one that was sent to me. It already had the built-in washi strip. This is going out in Happy Mail, and I just wanted to show you how I am gifting a special birthday girl some treats. So these are chocolates that fit perfectly in the back of the pockets here, and then normally if you send it to a scrapbooker, then they are things that are crafty related, but because I'm sending to someone who does not paper craft that I know of, I'm sending it in this stiff envelope to protect the chocolates and keep them sort of sturdy in here. I also just wanted to take a quick moment to say happy birthday to Janice. She is one of my loyal watchers that always is the first to comment and tell me her thoughts on the video. So I absolutely wanted to wish her a happy birthday, and I thought this was the perfect time since I am sharing with you birthday themed mail.
It is also the perfect time to tell you about the creativity activist Edna, who is honoring her mother's 80th birthday, which is also today, April 17th. And in order to honor her mom's birthday, she is actually having an 80 Things project where she's going to be doing random acts of kindness, and all the details are on her video. I will link it down below.
So I'm going to show you a quick time-lapse video of me creating this. I have to say, this pocket letter fell together. I, for the first time ever, tried to not think too much. I was just working as fast. I felt like I was in time-lapse mode actually, because I just started putting pieces of paper in the squares. I started adding pieces of ephemera that I thought captured the person I'm sending this to, and it really just came together very cute. So I hope you enjoy.
I'm using a combination of products from Close to My Heart. That is all of the background papers. And then the pieces of ephemera come from Rosie's studio. The collection is Work of Heart. And the two seem to match really well together.
I will show you a close-up of each card. I've added some stitching and some sequins since the time-lapsed video, and I just wanted to share with you how this looks close up so that you can see each page individually and all the details. I did a little sequin bow. It's still drying on that one. All the cute little details. So this is going off as some birthday mail, and I am going to include some chocolates in behind each of these pockets. So there'll be a nice little treat in behind each card, and I've got these two types here, the mint Ghirardelli and assorted caramel chocolate squares. So it's just gonna go like this. So one chocolate there, and then the card over top. I'll do them all and then I'll show you the final result. Okay, there's the final product. what the other side looks like with all of the chocolates in behind. This is just a washi tape with hole punches on the side here. And then you can typically fold them up and send them out like this, but it's making it pretty thick for flat mail. So in this instance, I think I will probably send it off in a 8.5 by 11 mailer so that it makes it there, and hopefully the chocolates don't get squished en route. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in following along my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you stayed here all the way to the end, give me a thumbs up so I know that you are still with me. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.